Lithuania. Map. It is next to the Baltic Sea. To the east of Sweden and Denmark, it borders Latvia to the north, Belarus to the east and south, Poland to the south, and Kaliningrad Oblast, Arles and Sklep to the southwest.
Important things about Lithuania. The Republic of Lithuania is a country in northern Europe. Is it the lowest of the three basic states? Lithuania has a population of the 3 million people in 2013. The official language is Lithuanian. Lithuania is the member of the European Union.
Important cities. Vilnius is the capital and largest city. Kaunas and Klaipėda.
Important rivers. Neman River is a major eastern European river. Its basin is Vilnius and flow through Lithuania into the Baltic Sea. Climate. The water is moderately cold in winter and mild in summer.
Lithuanian national basket team is ranked 4th worldwide in FIBA rankings. Famous Lithuanian people. Soprano vocalist Violeta. Pop singer Violeta. Žydrūnas Jeguauskas.
Economy. The litas is the national currency. 1 euro costs 3.4 litas. Lithuania is expected to switch to the euro on 1 January 2015.